Alright everybody, we'll see how well this phone does this video, but if you can't tell, I'm not in a very good spot right now. Kind of out of it. They got me drugged up. So a lot of chances I've been taking on this building you guys have watched over the last year and a half or so. And Saturday I took a chance I should not have taken, and it finally caught me, bit me right in the ass. Could have been a lot worse. But long and the short of it is, when I was moving the gin pole to set up for another pick for a purlin plate, I was moving it back inside the envelope of the building, and the darn thing slid on me. There's a lot of weight on that. It slid on me and it knocked me right into the hole for the stairs, the stairwell hole. So I 12-foot drop, landed with all my body weight straight down on my right foot, right on my right heel. So what that did is it shattered my ankle, and it shattered the bones between my ankle and my knee. So it's a mess right now. Now let's see if you can see it. But so there's some of the pins that I'm going to get to live with for a while, and they still have to do one more surgery. But in case any of you have wondered where I've been, this is it. I've been in the hospital since since Saturday. So I had surgery on Sunday. Supposed to have another one, I'm hoping, on Tuesday. It all depends on the swelling in this leg. So we could go through this and look at every stupid thing I've done safety-wise on these videos. Many of you had called me on it many times, and unfortunately I'm very stubborn, and I'm one of these people also who can say, well, I've done it like this my whole life and nothing bad's happened. Well, didn't quite prove true for this one. So I should have had a railing up around there, or I should have at least put a fake floor in there, and we would be not be sitting here talking to a phone right now. But anyway, we are going to get the barn finished. I'm getting a group of family and friends together to finish the project. I'm going to direct it from wheelchair, chair, whatever I have to do, and we're just going to go from there. So anyway, I appreciate everybody's support. I really appreciate you guys watching. We're just going to keep trucking on. It's by no means the end of anything here. It's just we're slowed down for a couple months. It's going to be a few months before I can really use this thing halfway decent again. So anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Have a good evening. I'll catch you on the next one.